Welcome to this comprehensive guide on how to trade options on Robinhood. Trading options can be a great way to diversify your investment portfolio and potentially earn higher returns. To get started, you will need to have a Robinhood account and enable options trading. First, you need to understand the basics of options trading. An option is a contract that gives you the right, but not the obligation, to buy or sell a stock at a specified price, known as the strike price, before a certain date, known as the expiration date. There are two main types of options: calls and puts. A call option gives you the right to buy a stock, while a put option gives you the right to sell a stock. To trade options on Robinhood, open the app and navigate to the stock you want to trade options on. Tap the Trade button and select the Options tab. You will see a list of available options contracts, including the strike price, expiration date, and premium. The premium is the price of the option contract. When buying an option, you are buying the right to buy or sell a stock at the specified price. You will need to pay the premium, which is the cost of the option contract. When selling an option, you are selling the right to buy or sell a stock at the specified price. You will receive the premium, but you will also be obligated to buy or sell the stock at the specified price if the option is exercised. It is essential to understand the risks involved with options trading. If you buy an option and the stock price does not move in your favor, the option will expire worthless, and you will lose the premium you paid. If you sell an option and the stock price moves against you, you may be obligated to buy or sell the stock at a loss. To minimize risks, it is crucial to have a solid understanding of the options market and the stocks you are trading. You should also set clear goals and risk tolerance before placing a trade. It is also essential to diversify your portfolio and not allocate too much capital to a single trade. Best practices for trading options on Robinhood include starting with small positions, setting stop-loss orders, and continuously monitoring your trades. You should also stay informed about market news and trends that may impact the stocks you are trading. In conclusion, trading options on Robinhood can be a great way to diversify your investment portfolio and potentially earn higher returns. However, it is crucial to understand the risks involved and have a solid understanding of the options market. By following the steps outlined in this guide and practicing good risk management, you can become a successful options trader on Robinhood.